Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I have a gorgeous journal I want to share with you. And this is a journal that I received in a swap. And this was a swap through the Facebook group, My Porch Prints. And so a lot of the papers in this will be from My Porch Prints. And so I showed you how I created my journal, but I have not had time to film this journal that I received from the swap. So I wanted to be sure. It's been a couple of months, but I still wanted to show it to you. So I really love the tassel here on the side, and then it has a little key. And then we have the cover here. Let me flip it over so you can see the back of the cover. It's beautiful papers on the cover. And then the cover itself is covered in fabric, and then the decorations are paper. And I really love how the tie for the journal goes right under the piece here, the decoration on the cover. And so it's very pretty. I love the colors, the blues that's in it. Oh, and it has lots of lace on the edges. I really love that. It's like crocheted lace, and I love that on the edges. That's my favorite type of lace, is crocheted lace. So we start out here. We have a pocket in the front, and there's just some glitter on this paper. And then you have a guest check and a little calendar card. So you'll recognize a lot of this if you follow My Porch Prints or have shopped at My Porch Prints. You will recognize a lot of these prints, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And when we did the swap, we just told each other kind of things that we liked. And I did tell her that I liked a lot of blues and pinks and things. And so this journal is perfect for me. She, without even knowing me, she created a perfect journal for me. And look at the tag here with the little bee charm. I love that. And you have a little lace pocket here. And so there's another card in here, and then there's a tag, and look at the texture of this paper, of this tag. I really like that. There's a lot of textures, a lot of different things in here. And when I received this journal, well, before I received the journal, I thought to myself, I am going to use this journal and add photos and writing to it. But now that I got it, it's so hard to write in it. I'm kind of just using it for ideas and just to flip through and enjoy looking at it from time to time. And maybe eventually I will start writing in it and adding photos. But for now, I'm just enjoying looking through the journal. And I love this paper that she's created here. It's a lot of beautiful things in here. A lot of great ideas for a journal. There's another lace pocket and a larger pocket with a tag. Then we have, this is a little, looks like a little envelope in that she has really just grunged it up, and I love how the texture of that, how she's done that, and then the decoration on it. And then you have a tag in there. We have another envelope here. And then in the envelope is just a little piece of paper, like it's a little letter. I think journals are so much fun, and receiving journals are so much fun because you never know what's in each pocket. It's just like, and I discover new things about the journal every time I flip through it. And here's a little magnet that she's added, a little bookmark magnet. And then you've got some more journaling cards and a little round pocket there. And then you've got your music sheet that she's stenciled. And so it's so pretty. I love all the butterflies. You know me, I love butterflies. And this is so pretty. Oh, this was the card that I received with the journal, and I just added it to the journal. And so this was just the card from her that she had created. And so and it has a little pocket in there. And then in the pocket is another little like journaling spot. So that's why I went ahead and added this card to my journal. I thought it was perfect to add to my journal. And there's another lace belly band. Just so much in this journal. It's so full. Now, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, and I don't really know. So I don't think that she shares her journals anywhere yet, but she does a beautiful job creating journals. There's a butterfly there. And then here's an envelope with a pocket. And look at the texture on that. I love that. It's just, I think that's an embossing folder that she's used. I think it is. Pretty sure. And then there's another piece of textured paper. And then you have some more embossing for a pocket here. And then a tag. Like I said, it's so much in it to take in. Look at that. That's been embossed as well and inked up. There's lots of writing space in here, so I probably should use it for a writing journal. It's just hard to cover up all these beautiful pages. There we have tags there. Another pocket here. And then you have this belly band here. Oops. Take this off so we can slide it in and out. And look at that with the key and all the little flowers and butterfly. And where I removed that clip, I'm sure I made something fall, but here it is. And there's some papers there and some little stamps. It's a lot of fun. So let's just add this back here with this big paper clip. I love that paper clip too. And there's a butterfly on the page. And you got another butterfly charm here. And here's another little pocket. Like I said, there's so much in this journal. And then you have your little library card. And then here's another little place you could do writing. And I love this pocket, how it's torn. It's just got the torn edges and then inked. I love that. Like I said, there's so many good ideas. So I may just use this as an idea journal. When I need some ideas for my journal, just pull it out and take a look and get some ideas from it. Another card. Oops, let's slide that back in. And she did tell me all the papers that she used, and I recognize some of them because I have some of these kits, but I don't remember them all. I'll try to go back to the message if I can, and I will link below to all of the kits that she told me that she used. And here's that paper again where she painted. I love that. I'm assuming she painted it. It feels painted. And then you have another tag here. And I love this little, where the half circle is a little tuck spot. That's very cute. So you have a butterfly belly band. Look at that page. Isn't that beautiful? Just so many beautiful pages in this journal. And belly bands. And pockets. Just so many. Isn't that gorgeous paper as well? And that paper's like, I don't know if she used, I believe she used some special scissors for that, but I like the edge. It's hard on camera for you to see all of the texture and all the edges and things like that, but that actually, the edge feels like that. So I think she's used some special scissors or trimmer. Ain't that pretty there? And here's a piece of vellum paper with some butterfly stickers on it. And then here's more. And this, I love seeing flip throughs myself, so that's why I wanted to share it as well. I wanted to share this gorgeous journal with you so that hopefully it gets you some ideas. You can always slow the video down, you know, rewind, pause, come back if you want to see, you know, some of the ideas and add them to your journal as well. Because there's always so many good ideas in these journals. Everybody has different ways of creating a journal and different ideas. I love this little card here. The Lord is my strength and my song. That's very pretty. And there we go. Some more text. And look, I've done this before and I forgot about it. So that was a good reminder to me. In the beginning when I was making journals, I would trim around edges like this and make pockets. And I hadn't done that in a long time. So I've got to remember to do that in another journal. And I love this lace. Isn't that beautiful? And so then we have another page. And then here's a flip out with some layered pockets, which I love. They're little postcards that she's printed out and made into pockets. And then here, you slide this out. It's another journaling card, which is very pretty. And I don't remember what kit that's from, but that is very pretty. Lots of pretty things in here. And then you have another little journaling piece. Oops. And more. Oh, that's a pocket as well. I forgot that that was a pocket. Like I said, I notice new things every time I go through. That's a very pretty little cluster on the center of that page. And I love the tabs. Look at this. And I thought that was cute. That looks so much like my Clarissa when she was a kitten. So I thought that was neat that she found which that's a pretty common kitten, but I thought that was neat that she put the kitten in there that matched my Clarissa. So that was fun. And I don't think she even knew she was matching my Clarissa. I'm not sure. I doubt it. I don't know that I have any pictures of Clarissa on my Facebook. I'm not sure. There's another card. And that gave me an idea too. I have so many cards and you could just add cards to your journal. I never do that. And so that was another great idea. And I handmade cards. You know, if you watch my channel, you know that I make cards a lot of times. Those would be great to add to journals as well, and I just never do. So that gave me the idea to do that as well. So you'll see some of these ideas in my journals coming up. So that is a beautiful tag. And we have a lot in common. I have this paper as well. I can't remember the name of it, but I made a mini album one time using that paper. And we did have a lot of the same likes. That's why when she listed, look at that bookmark, isn't that pretty? When she listed things that she liked, then that's why we could choose our partners. And so I chose her because we had so many things in common. And after we chatted, we found that we had even more in common. So I thought that was really cool. So, and here's little pockets here with little tag things. So that is a very gorgeous journal I wanted to share with you. And here is the tie that goes on it. And I think it's so pretty. I love the chunkiness of it too. I love chunky journals. And so hopefully this has inspired you. Maybe you've gotten some ideas of things to add to your journals. I'm trying to zoom. I'm zoomed in so close today, but I'm trying to show you here the spine of it. But hopefully it's given you some ideas of things to add to your journals. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this flip through. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.